Hi, I'm Kevin Langford. Welcome to my channel, Kevin Langford Reviews, and the state of affiliate marketing. I'm an author, coach, and an entrepreneur, and the state of affiliate marketing is that it is a flourishing and lucrative way to earn online, as long as it's done right and you have the right products. I give reviews of the products that are helping me increase traffic, conversion, make sales, and put money in your pocket. And isn't that a good idea? So just another quick introduction about myself. You can see right over here, there's a picture of me back when I was a little slimmer, and a description. I'm a super productive doer, an entrepreneur, an entourage to millionaires, also known as the Bettering Your Best coach. I help people go from 5 to a 6 and 7 figure income at ludicrous speed, because light speed isn't fast enough. Remember that? I am what I say I am, and all that is good, you are too. Remember that. So let's dive in to the review of Commission Gorilla. Don't even think of getting Commission Gorilla until you read this. And it's based on true events. Here are my thoughts and opinion on Commission Gorilla. Have you ever said, I just can't seem to get a breakthrough in affiliate marketing? I feel you. Now, smart affiliates know that offering a bonus to prospects with any promotion can add value. Super affiliates generate 5 times bigger commissions and more sales by simply adding bonuses. The fact is, 2 well-known super affiliates, and you probably know their names, have tested this and found that offering a bonus can quintuple your profit. Yep, that's right. You can make 5 times more money if you offer just one bonus. But here's the thing. Even though offering a bonus puts more money in your pocket, it's not easy money. You don't have the easy button. You need to create the bonus pages. If you want to do it right, this takes time, takes skill, or money. And it can be a drag to gather the resources to create the sort of professional pages that boost conversions until now. What if all you had to do was just drag and drop, point and click, and you were then able to put more money in your pocket? Watch this. When you get a chance, I want you to watch the video that's on the page. It's a quick demo of how to use Commission Gorilla. And there's my banner, Commission Gorilla. You click on that banner, it'll take you to my bonus webpage. Let's talk about it though. Commission Gorilla has all you need to create high response bonus offer pages, and it does it all fast and easy with no tech experience required. Let me give you a true quick rundown of the features. Point and click simple. With what you see is what you get editor. You don't need to know a thing about coding or design. All you have to do is point and click your mouse to beautiful, high converting bonus pages. The cool thing about it is you can drag in images or insert videos and even create custom high impact call to action buttons. You won't find an easier way to create web pages. You get a bonus library. If you're like a lot of affiliates, you tend to reuse the bonuses. This software makes it easy. The system lets you build and store bonus building blocks inside the bonus library. Then you can drag and drop the bonuses into your bonus pages. The more you use Commission Gorilla, the faster you'll be able to create pages, especially if you use the bonus library. Free hosting. You don't have a website? No problem. Commission Gorilla will host your bonus offer pages at no charge. Or you can opt to upload them straight to your website if you are advanced and you know how to do that. Commission Gorilla includes a plugin to make uploading pages to WordPress a breeze. Automated bonus delivery. When you create your bonus page, Commission Gorilla creates your delivery page at the same time. You can even drag and drop in pre-written text to create pages even faster. What a huge time saver, man. It means a lot during a fast-moving product launch. it has a clone feature. Once you create a high-performing promotion page, all you have to do then is click your mouse to clone that page. Tweak it for another offer, and your bonus page will be ready in minutes rather than hours or days. It's so easy, and it's so fast. It's ludicrous fast. Dashboard stats. When you log into Commission Gorilla, you'll track your high-performing pages at a glance. You'll be looking at the built-in stats. No more guessing at what works. Now you'll know for sure. You have social share buttons. Promoting your new bonus page is easy. Just use the built-in social share buttons. You can build your page, promote the page, go enjoy the rest of your day. Plus, you can even drag and drop social share buttons into your bonus pages for your visitors to use. Make it viral. And the list of cool stuff just keeps on coming. You get even more features to make the most of your traffic and increase your conversion rates. This includes attention bars, exit pop-ups, countdown timers. You'll even get a cool collection of done-for-you bonuses to use during your next promotion. The bottom line, you won't find a better way to get your bonus pages up and running fast. Other products similar in the market have these HTML editors, hypertext markup language, and they do a good job, but they're clumsy for some people. Learning that HTML can take some time, and they have a big learning curve with HTML, and they're not designed for creating direct response sales pages anyway. So if you're looking for a mix of easy with sophistication, I'd say Commission Gorilla is a better option, no matter your skill level or your background. Thankfully, there are video tutorials to help you along too, so you can point and click your way to high converting bonus offer pages. What's more, this software isn't only for affiliates. While it's a fast and simple way to create affiliate bonus pages, you can also use it to create bonus coupons and other special offers for your online or offline business. Now, how cool is that? It doesn't get any better than this. Commission Gorilla. And there's my banner. You click on that, it'll take you to my page. Commission Gorilla is flexible enough to create contest pages, lead pages, and more. And best of all, you don't need any design skills. You don't need to have a big budget to hire a designer. You don't need to know any code. And if you choose the Pro option, you'll get super power-up add-on features as well. My rating, I've been using Commission Gorilla for a couple of weeks now, and while I still have a way to go, I'm making better progress. I give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up as the fastest and easiest way for me and you to get promotion pages up and running. Check it out for yourself at Kevin's Commission Gorilla bonus link right there. I'm going to leave a link on the YouTube page too. And don't forget to look at those impressive demos, and you'll get a chance to use it for yourself too. So before I go, I just want to let you know that it's been a pleasure talking with you, and tune in next time for another one of Kevin Langford's reviews. Have a great day. Live long and prosper as we go to ludicrous speed. Bye for now.